Shantou Chuangkesheng Electronic Technology Company Limited was established in 2014 and is located in Shantou, Guangdong, China. We are a professional manufacturer specializing in power adapters and chargers. Our products are widely used for various applications, including but not limited to monitoring electric, LED light, routers, modems, massage machine, robot vacuum, humidifier, and more. With over 16 years of experience in the industry, we have grown into a large-scale company with a factory spanning 5,000 square meters, with more than 100 skilled employees and advanced production facilities, with our own professional design and development team. We take pride in the fact that our products have obtained certifications such as ETL, CE, FCC, CB, UKCA, ROSE, CCC, and more certifications on the way, ensuring their compliance with international standards. And our products have been exported to many countries and regions, including North America, South America, East Europe, and Southeast Asia. We have established long-term cooperative relationships with many customers and have received positive feedback for our products and services. Following the principle of customer first, reputation first, we always attach importance to product quality, price, delivery time, and customer service. We look forward to establishing a mutually beneficial business relationship with you. Please feel free to reach out to us at your convenience. Thank you for considering Shantou Chuangkesheng Electronic Technology Company Limited as your potential business partner.